How many wives do you have?
I have 4 wives.
4.
Yeah. Do you want me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I need 5 girlfriends. Do you want me?
Don't want to meet who?
Do you want me?
Do I want you?
Yeah.
No.
Wait for me, please. I talk some people my language.
Right, okay.
واسكا كاحمينا سباتها كسرعنا بإيدا قفور كويل ريد عنصرنا ما يسبب مهلا سوى تاجنيدين وما يعمل تعرف إنه إنجليزي هكاس إيه. Hi, how are you?
What's
Sweetie?
your name?
My name
Yeah.
Hussein Haji.
Hussein. Where are you from?
I'm from Somali.
Somalia. That's pretty cool.
Do you know Somali?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name for you?
Rosa.
Voza.
Rosa, like Rose, but Rosa.
I know. So beautiful girl, man. Where you come from?
England.
Oh, wow. Can magic. Nice girl. Do you have boyfriend?
Yes, I have 18.
Do you have boyfriend 18?
Is this better?
Oh. Very nice. This is very nice. But it's not hijab.
Yeah.
But it's not hijab. This is gabasar. Gabasar.
Oh my god, what? There's like 80 people telling me random things to say. Say
But
Yuakuwasa.
You have nice hijab.
I have a nice hijab.
Yes.
Thank you.
Do you have other one?
Yeah, I've got another one. This one.
Show me.